You need a dose of this.
What's up, everybody? George Medina here. That's George with a J. And I am very excited today. Why? Because something very special just came in the mail, and that is this box right here. Now, the box got a little weight, and the reason why it's got a little weight is because inside of the box is my brand new graphic novel, Russ5377, the 25th anniversary edition. It is a book that you can get at the address there below, getyourmeds.com. You can also go to asapimagination.com, anyoneworld.com. But I am excited because I have copies for something that's going to be happening in June, which I will give you more information on my social media platforms. So make sure you go to getyourmeds.com. Make sure you hit me up on Instagram, Facebook, X, all that dope stuff. But I'm gonna open this bad boy up. Let's get to it. Let's open it up. I have a pair of scissors here because it's got this very protective strip of whatever this thing is. That was easy. And then I'm also going to use a quick little knife to get this thing open. Here it is. All right, here we go. Let's open this bad boy up. Let's see what it's looking like. All right. Oh boy. Oh, yeah, I know you see it right there. Oh my goodness. Oh man, look at this thing. Hold on, let me move this. Look at this bad boy. Oh my God, man. Look at that. Look at the thickness, dude. Oh man. Big shout out to ASAP Imagination, the publisher, and LA Cunningham. Thank you so much for organizing this. Hades, it goes without saying, my man, you are the best. Look at this thing. Trade paperback. It's here. 140 something pages, full color. Oh my God. Make sure you order your books at getyourmeds.com. I will be sharing some information with you guys. Man, this thing is dope. Look at that. Oh man, 25 years in the making. Awesome stuff. Thank you so much for sticking around for the unboxing. And this is what's inside these things. Now, listen, there's like about 8 of those things, so I got to get through them, make sure everything is cool and good to go. But make sure you order your copy today. And this is amazing. All right, listen, I'm gonna go take a look at these other boxes. But thank you again, Hades, LA Cunningham, ASAP Imagination. You guys are rocking it. This looks incredible. Big shout out to Santiago Backwin, who did this for me. My man's all the way out in Argentina. So big shout out to him. This looks amazing. I have prints of this cover that I will have available at shows because I'm going to be doing shows in the next couple of months. Stay tuned for that. Go to getyourmeds.com. Get all your information. And holy cow, man. Russ5377, 25 years. Peace.
You need a dose of this.